it's Emily. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new apartment. So we are here in Louisville, Kentucky. We got here late last night with the U-Haul and we're back early this morning. That's why I look like this. My eyes are swollen. It is super early and we got the U-Haul and we got guys coming and we are going to get started loading everything into our new apartment. So these apartments are very nice. They were just recently built and so we are going to be the first family in this actual apartment unit. So everything is brand spanking new. They've got nice countertops, nice hardware, and nice cabinets. So we're super excited to be here. So we're getting ready to get started filling this apartment up with boxes and the craziness is about to begin. So I figured before we would get started with that, I wanted to give you all an empty apartment tour so you could see our apartment that we're gonna be living in. It'll probably take me a while to get my boxes unpacked and get decorated, so it may be like a long time before I do an apartment with it actually like decorated. I feel like by the time we go to move out, I'll have it finally put together. So I want to go ahead and do this tour with you, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we're going to start at the front door, and this is just the little entryway here. And over here is just like a water heater, I don't know what that is. And then over this way is the laundry room. So we got washer, dryer. So over here I'll probably put some laundry hampers, and we've got some nice racks up here that I can hang clothes and put my laundry detergent and stuff up there. And then when you come in through the entryway, you go this way. And we have a bathroom here. And it's got a nice granite countertop and a lot of storage underneath of here. Over here, we have a really small closet, but at least it's a bathroom closet. I mean, it's better than no bathroom closet. And we have a nice stand-up shower over here. So we really liked this shower. So this is our first bathroom. And then if you go this way, this is actually supposed to be the girls' bedroom, but the bedroom and the closet is bigger than the master bedroom and over there. So I think we're gonna go ahead and take this room. So this is gonna be mine and Evan's room. And we'll just have our bed here, and that'll still give us some space over here. And we've got a cute little corner. I think I'm gonna put a cute chair here, maybe. And got a big window out here. And here's the closet. And this is why we wanted to get this room, is because the closet is so big versus the other closet. You'll see the other closet is not as big, and I don't think me and Evan could fit in the other one. So you all know, you all see my last closet. This is still smaller than the other one we had. So I needed all the space I could get. So come through the hallway. This is our dining room. So we're gonna have our dining room table right here. And then we've got like the open concept, and you walk into the kitchen. And they got these really nice granite countertops, which really sold this apartment for us. And these are really nice. I'm excited to be in this kitchen and cook in this kitchen with these countertops. So right here we have the pantry. So this is nice. And of course we got the stove and the microwave and nice cabinets. I really like the color of these, and I like this hardware. I think it looks really nice. And we've got the refrigerator, and down here is a dishwasher, and I've got some more storage in the sink. So then you come into here, and this is our living room. So we're probably gonna put, what did we say? Couch, love seat, and then we're gonna get a little corner desk for Evan's computer right here. And we still would have a little space to do maybe like a cute accent chair here. And then this is our patio. And it snowed last night. I really like these floor to ceiling glass doors because I love the light. And so I'm just gonna love having this in here. And we go out to the patio. Here's our view. And then out here, this is really cool. We've got this like outdoor storage closet. So we can put like extra stuff in it that we need to store. Then you go through here, and this is supposed to be the master bedroom, but we're gonna give this to the girls. So this is gonna be the room, and we're gonna put the bed up here, and they've got a nice big window. And here's the closet. So it's still a pretty good sized closet because you can walk in, and this will be plenty big enough for the girls and all of their stuff. We can put toy chest in here, and they're still gonna have plenty of room. And I think over here I'll probably put their little princess tent, maybe some more toys. And then there's a bathroom in here. And this is gonna be like my bathroom slash the girls' bathroom. Since there's a bathtub in here, they'll be getting all their baths in here. So we just got the bathtub, shower, another counter and sink. And then back here behind the door is the toilet. So that is the whole apartment. So that is it for our apartment tour. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday because you do not want to miss out on all the new decorating vlogs that I have coming up. I'm going to be decorating this house, and I'm going to bring you all along with the journey. So make sure you're subscribed and you have the post notifications on so you don't miss every time I upload. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!